Hello everyone, this is Julian from Kanen, and today we have a Jura and a Micro 1 with us in the shop. Pretty much it had came in because there was leaking coming from the bottom. There was also dry grounds in the ground tray. Pretty much what we did is a complete tune-up on your machine. It was quite a dirty machine. Let me see if I could get the pictures for you. But yeah, so when we opened it up, looked around, there was quite a lot of coffee leakage everywhere. So here it is. Be kind of hard to see unless I focus it. There you go. As you can see, the thing was covered in coffee grounds, leaks everywhere, water, mold, a bunch of that stuff. After we were done with it, it came out looking like this. So this is the inside of your machine. As you can see, all cleaned out, perfectly new, all the gaskets replaced, all the walls cleaned. And yeah, we descaled your machine also and did a couple of cleaning cycles through the spouts just to make sure they're all clean. Now we are going to try making a coffee by hitting the espresso button. These machines, all they'll do is make just espresso or longer coffee, stuff like that. So you don't have a steam one, you don't have a hot water spout, but it's a very, very cool little Jura. But yeah, so we're going to let this run, as you can see. It might be a little too small for it, but yeah. Perfectly fine, we're just here testing. Yeah, and that's about it for this repair. If you like this video or any of our other videos on our channel, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.